Hi, little chess champs. Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about something super important in chess, the center of the board. So, what exactly is the center? It is the four middle square on the board D, 4, E, 4, D, 5 and E5. These squares are at the heart of the chessboard and they are crucial for planning your moves. These squares are like treasure spots on the chessboard. If you control the center, it gives you more power and more ways to move your pieces. Pieces that control the center can reach all parts of the board faster. For example, a queen in the center can go anywhere. We will talk more about why the center is so important later. Stay tuned. Remember, chess is all about planning and smart moves. Keep practicing, little chess champs, and soon you will be a master. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Happy learning with little chess champs.